just had a couple of beep beeps on the middle rod there. Is it going to go? Is it going to go? It's probably a tench or a rainbow trout. I've just stocked 80 rainbow trout, so carp fishermen keep catching them on boilies. It's a tench or a rainbow trout, definitely. It's not a carp. It'd have gone screaming off otherwise. If it peeps again, hit it. Come on, let's have it.
Well, you can turn that off for now.
I'm waiting for the beep beep beep.
Yeah, I was thinking of the battery.
Oh yeah, it's not even started going down yet. There we go, there we go, there we go. Wait, 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 wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something there, there's something there. It's moving that lead. Come on. Come on, come on. Is the rod tip moving?
Yeah.
That might be wind.
No, it's moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something on
Well, hit it then, hit it.
It's something on
There's probably something on it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's something on there. Don't let it go. Don't let it get snagged up this time, Snoots. Oh, look, it's a rod bender. It's a rod bender. What's that tree?
Yeah, I see.
Watch the tree.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, watch that tree.
Yeah. I will.
Yeah, you want to get it to the left. Take it over to the left. Point the rod to the left. You're going to hit that tree, I'm telling you. Is it another tench or is it rainbow? Let me have a look.
Yeah, I'm in the bank here now. So
Yeah, keep it up out of the weeds. What is it? What is it? There it is. Oh, it's a big tench. It's right in the snags. Get over here. It's in the snags. Right, I have to get the net. I have to get the net. Oh, that's a big tench. Don't give it some slack. Give it some slack. Oh, shit. That's a nice tench. Oh, here we go. Woohoo! That is a nice tench. There we go. Right, you're in between now. We're gonna have to turn this off a second. There we go. That's a nice PB tench for Jeanette, I think. That's 3 kilos. That's got to be 3 kilos. It's got to be 3 kilos. Watch its barbel.
yeah, trying to.
Yeah, come here, let me do it.
Yeah.
Because you trapped its barbel in there, you see. Right. There you go. Sweet as a nut. And that was on, let's see. What was that on? Is that sweet orange?
Yeah.
Yep. That one's on Energy Sweet Orange Snowman. Lovely jubbly.
So,
Alright, well, do the business. If you lift it up, I'll move the net, babe. That's a nice tench.
Yeah.
That is a lovely tench.
wait first.
Yeah, alright.
Now when I have it on the
Oh.
sleeve here.
There you go. Oh, I thought it'd be 3 kilos. It's not. It's 2.7. 2.7 kilos.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. 4,7 kilo, and I've just put some fresh batteries into the camera as well so we can get some nice photos, and the sun's out right in your face, lovely. That's a PB though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a new personal's best. What's it shitting out there? What's it, hang on. What's it shitting out? Is it shitting out them boilers?
Yeah.
Here.
I don't know.
Oh, that's rust. That's rust off the saw that we keep in the cooking mat.
Well, you have to go and get the camera.
Yeah. We'll lift him up first, let's have a look at him, then I'll get the camera. That's a lovely tench though. Or sutere, as they're called in Swedish. Let's have a look at that. Oh, it's lovely. And its fins up. Oh, that's a beautiful. Right, we're going to take some photographs now while that fin's up. That's beautiful. I don't want that fin to go down. So
Yeah.
back in 5, people. Right, it's time to put him back. It's not a carp, but hey, it's a tench well worth having. 2.7 kilos, it's a new PB for snoots. And I'm getting beat 7-0 now. Let's have him back. There she goes. Lovely. PB, Jeanette?
Yeah.
2,7 2.7 kilos. And for those wondering what that t-shirt says, it says, I hate worthless snobs. I.e. those fly fishermen who think they're better than everybody else. And carp fishing is not fishing. Your heart of headless a snob.
So let's get the rods in.
Yeah, let's get things going.
Might I get one more before we go?
Yep, Sunday afternoon now, so we'll be going home shortly. But it's 2-0 to Jeanette. I'm just pathetic, I am. I think I'll go back to bed. Later.
Leave it to the woman.
Yeah.